Hello, and welcome back to my channel, where I share tips, strategies, and insights on how to make money online from the comfort of your own home. Today, I am going to show you how you can earn money fast without leaving your house. Whether you're a stay at home parent, a student, or just looking to supplement your income, this video is for you. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Setting the foundation. The key to making money online is to set a strong foundation. Start by identifying your skills, interests, and strengths. This will help you determine the type of online work that is best suited for you. Are you good at writing, graphic design, customer service, or social media? Once you know your strengths, you can start looking for opportunities that align with your expertise. Section 2. Freelancing platforms. One of the fastest ways to make money online is by freelancing. There are countless platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer where you can offer your services to clients from around the world. Create a profile highlighting your skills and experience, and start applying for jobs that interest you. With freelancing, you have the flexibility to work on projects that fit your schedule and earn money on your terms. Section 3. Online surveys and market research. Another way to make quick cash online is by participating in online surveys and market research studies. Companies are constantly looking for consumer feedback to improve their products and services. Sign up for reputable survey sites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Vandal Research to start earning money for sharing your opinions. While the payouts may vary, completing surveys can be a simple and easy way to earn extra cash from home. Section 4. Affiliate marketing. If you have a blog, website, or social media following, you can make money through affiliate marketing. Partner with companies and promote their products or services to your audience. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. Choose products that align with your niche and are of interest to your audience to maximize your earning potential. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way to generate passive income online. Section 5. Virtual assistant services. Virtual assistants are in high demand as businesses look to outsource administrative tasks. If you are organized, detail-oriented, and have strong communication skills, consider offering virtual assistant services. Tasks may include email management, data entry, scheduling appointments, and more. You can find virtual assistant opportunities on job boards like Remote.co, Indeed, and FlexJobs. Working as a virtual assistant allows you to work from home and earn money while helping businesses succeed. In conclusion, there are countless ways to make money online from home quickly. Whether you choose freelancing, online surveys, affiliate marketing, or virtual assistant services, the key is to take action and get started. By leveraging your skills and expertise, you can create a reliable income stream and achieve financial freedom. So don't wait any longer. Start making money online today. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on how to succeed in the online world. Good luck on your journey to financial success.